How to use fragment in dark power survival. So in dark power survival, first of all, let's understand what fragments are. So hero fragments are pieces you collect to unlock or upgrade heroes. For example, orange versatile hero fragment is used to raise the star level of S tier or S rarity or orange heroes. So you can simply see the orange heroes that can be unlocked using those orange fragments. And then you must have got those fragments in order to unlock those heroes. So collect enough fragments. So first you need to accumulate the required number of fragments for a hero upgrade. For example, to unlock a hero you might need 10 fragments, depends upon rarity. Also, go to hero or upgrading screen, go to your heroes, you can simply upgrade them, and you can use the basically those fragments in order to upgrade them. So once you have already unlocked, for example, the Catherine and Rex, if you have already unlocked it, then you can use its more strat to upgrade the hero itself. So you can also use and convert those fragments. Once you have enough fragments, you'll have an option like unlock hero or promote hero. For example, use orange versatile hero fragment to raise the star level of an orange hero. After using the fragment, the hero becomes unlocked. Then you may need to level up the hero's upgrade skills and gear to fully benefit for them. So once you do that, you will be using those fragments properly. So basically, using hero fragments is to unlock heroes and then upgrading heroes in this game. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.